Alright, y'all, we're going to make some oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Only we're going to change a couple things. And if y'all watched the homemade ghee the other day, we're going to use ghee instead of butter. So, we're going to need about half a cup of this.
Yeah. Half cup of butter. In our case, it'll be ghee.
Should be. Get that off there.
It's supposed to be 3/4 cup firmly packed brown sugar. She figures a cup unpacked will be good enough. Half a cup granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and we're going to substitute maple instead of the teaspoon of vanilla.
Because I like maple, y'all.
Well, and we're also going to do the maple vanilla cream cheese frosting on it.
There's that. Putting our sugar in. Am I supposed to just putting both the sugars in?
Add eggs and vanilla, beat well.
Where's it? Sugar and butter is where I'm at.
Beat butter and sugar on medium speed of electric mixer until creamy.
Beat till creamy.
Alright. We were at the maple instead of the vanilla. So we're going to also need 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. It says half a teaspoon of salt's optional, but for us, we put salt in there. And 3 cups of oats. They can be quick or old-fashioned, uncooked, and 1 cup of raisins. Alright. Add eggs and vanilla. On our case, it'll be eggs and maple. It's supposed to be 1 teaspoon.
Maybe. I just used it the other day.
What'd you do?
Oh no.
Cinch the lid down?
I guess. I can't get it open. You gotta open it. I got my teeth. Thank you.
It was easy enough. You loosened it up for me.
Get all that yummy goodness off of there. All right.
Lucy.
No, they have to be in here. I'm in here doing something.
Think that's been beat well?
Yep, it said mix till creamy. It looks creamy to me.
Alright. You want to
What goes next?
flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. Then you mix it well.
Salt.
That didn't look like salt.
No, that's the cinnamon there. Because I know you always mix your dry ingredients together first. But, and you know what? I need a fork. Because that's the only way I know that's going to be mixed in there right.
Don't you just love these spur of the moment videos?
Hey, it makes it fun.
Blaming on my brother we was talking to on the phone.
I know one. He made me think about the frosting I got left over in the fridge. And, oh, by the way, y'all, we're going to frost these when they're done.
Yeah.
With the maple vanilla cream cheese frosting. Alright. I think the cinnamon and salt and baking soda is mixed in that good.
Alright.
So, let's dump that in there. Move that over there. Y'all, so that you know, making videos, you dirty every dish in your house. I think I'm going to get a spoon now.
Lucy Lou, you pitiful.
She has to know what I'm doing.
It's alright, girl. I can pet you. I'm not cooking right now.
Mama can't pet you, I'm cooking.
Hey, Pika.
Well, we'll be cooking after we get this dough all mixed up.
And I'm preheating the toaster oven.
Oh yeah, did we tell them we're doing this in a toaster oven? They already know our oven broke. Alright, what do I do next?
Well, if that's all mixed well, then you add the oats and raisins and mix well.
Oh, man. Oatmeal cookies is a workout here.
Nah, oatmeal raisin cookies. I'd have been happy with just oatmeal cookies and a frosting.
No, oatmeal raisin. Raisins. Alright. Time to get dirty. Gotta mush it off of there. I don't think I've made oatmeal cookies, except for the no-bake ones, since the kids was little.
Yeah, I was going to say it's been a long time.
It has been.
Our kids are now in their mid to late 20s.
Yes. Now, I'll call that off of there again.
Well, it's been a good 10 years or more.
Well, we've just spent over 3 years doing keto carnivore. I ain't been baking much.
Yeah.
Not like I used to. I used to bake all the time. But if I continue doing that, we're going to be bigger than our house. And maybe some other people's houses too. Alright. Now this is supposed to get dropped by spoonfuls on the cookie sheet. Which I have candy on my silicone cookie sheet cover. So I think we're going to have to bake these in that blue glass baking dish, which is an oven.
Okay. Alright, we'll come back when we're starting to put those on the pan or dish.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we were taking a look at our instructions, and it had instructions there to do a giant bar.
You can do bar cookies, which you take 13 by 9 inch baking pan, ungreased, and you just basically you line the whole bottom of it with that. Now,
that's what we're going to do.
the other one is to drop the dough by rounded tablespoonfuls onto ungreased cookie sheets, and then you bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until lightly browned. Now,
Well, this is messy, so
the bar cookies, you're supposed to bake 30 to 35 minutes. All right. Now,
okay.
this would normally be done in the oven, 350 degrees. We're going to be doing it in the toaster oven. Since we're doing it in the toaster oven, it'll be 300 degrees for a longer period of time.
Well, let's see if I can get this spread all the way out good. There was really no other way to do this than to get your hands involved, because the spoon don't work as good.
Well, I've always felt the best foods were made by hand.
Well, that's the best way to spread it out.
Well, I mean, even like mixing meat and everything else. It works best by hand.
Go.
All right.
You want to open that and we'll put it in the
Yes,
toaster?
I will take and place it in the toaster oven. You can go wash your hands while up. All right. We'll bring you back when it's done and let you see how it turned out. All right, there they are. They cooked at 300 degrees for 35 minutes. We're going to let them cool down, frost them, and then cut them. And we'll let you see how they turn out after they're frosted and cut. Okay, there we go. I cheated off camera and took out a small piece and tasted it. It was absolutely delicious. Cinnamon, oatmeal, raisin, maple cookie. This piece is from my lovely wife.
Thank you.
And there it is. Well, I guess not cookie, bar.
Yeah,
These are bars, like a bar cake. But yeah, turned out excellent. Really tastes good. What do you think, honey?
I like it.
All right. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a blessed one. Bye.